Hey folks, I just purchased a new anvil today. Not really expecting to, but a guy called me. He was at the salvage yard and had pulled up my wanted ad for an anvil on the internet and wanted to know if I was willing to buy it. And I got there and all he wanted was $20 for what appears to be a Fisher, authentic Fisher anvil. It's marked 120. I'm sure that is the poundage weight, and a V1, some sort of casting mark. It also has Fisher engraved in the foot. On the back side, the year casting, and it's in pretty good shape. It's not got any really major flaws. It's got a little mark right here and some smaller marks along the side, but everything is intact. And I wanted to do a ball bearing rebound test because the hammer test, it's got pretty good rebound on the top, but I always like to try to do that ball bearing test. So what I'm going to do is clean the top off with some sandpaper. So that the rust doesn't take away from the rebound. Now it's nice and smooth up there. And 11 inches to the top, that means 18 inches would be 29 inches. Is where we'll drop the ball from, 18 inches above the top of the anvil. And then 80% would be just above 22 inches on rebound, and 90% would be 26 inches. So, I'm just going to take a look and see where the ball bounces to. If I can get it all in the viewing area. Looks like it went above 27. It definitely went to 26. So that's really good. See if I can get a better. Definitely above 27. Here. There's 27 right there. Oh yeah, so that's 90-something%. So that's a really good anvil right there. So $20 for that. That's pretty cheap for an anvil. I'm very happy to have it and can't wait to start forging with it. Thanks for looking at this video.